Okay, exercise 1.8 deals with related graphs that are kind of similar to each other, if you like. Again, we would have seen some of this at junior cert level. We start out with the graph of y equals x squared, which is the black one here. Now, how does that compare to the graph of y equals x squared minus 3? Well, minus 3 just has the effect of pulling it down the y-axis by 3. So it's, the intersection point with the y-axis is minus 3 instead of 0. The graph y is equal to x squared plus 2 is just y is equal to x squared, but pushed 2 units up on the y-axis. So that's kind of fairly intuitive and straightforward enough, hopefully. Now, this, when we come down here, though, it's slightly different. Sorry. Okay, so something like this. Okay, we've got something like this. What happens to the graph y is equal to x squared if you're adding numbers on the x side, okay? So for instance, this is y is equal to x squared. Now the graph of y equals x minus 3 to be squared has the effect of pushing the graph to the right by 3 units. Similarly, so it's kind of a bit counterintuitive because the minus 3 you'd expect it to go to the left, but it doesn't go to the right. Similarly, for the graph y is equal to x plus 2, it gets shifted to the left, okay, towards the minus side by 2. A graph that is if we had y is equal to fx, that's the black one, and we wanted a graph y is equal to minus f of x, it's simply a mirror image in the x-axis, and that's true of any graph, okay? The minus f of x, it's always going to be a mirror image in the x-axis. If we multiply a graph by a number that's greater than 1, it has the effect of stretching it along the y-axis. So I'll give you an example here. We have the red one, f of x is equal to x times x minus 1 and x plus 2. You'll note that there are roots at 0, 1 and minus 2. And if we multiply that function by some number, 3 in this case, what happens is the roots stay in the same position, as you can see, but multiplying by 3 has the effect of elongating the graph along the y-axis. So you'll notice that this goes up much higher and goes down much lower. That's it for related graphs. You should now do exercise 1.8. If you do questions 1, 4, 7 and 10, you'll be covered, okay? Thank you.